Hello, welcome to Gaze Easy Frequently Asked Questions video tutorials. Today, I'll show you how to create a banner slider for your website homepage. Let's dive in. Navigate to your dashboard. Click on your website content. Click on your website pages. Choose the web page you want to add your banner slider to. Click on page content. Click on add new row. Delete the picture content. Delete the text content. Click on add more content and click on internal component. You can either pick between rolling through or carousel. So let's use the carousel. Now you can add your slides individually or you add the multiple by using what the slide pictures pick file. So let's use this one. We can add multiple banner slider. So this redirects you to your picture file manager. I already have some pictures saved for banner. So let's click and open. So select the ones you want to use. So let's select this and this. Okay, I'll save this. All right, so click on add selected. So you can see that immediately you've done that. Your slides have been added automatically. So you can see your slides have been added, the first and the second. So if you see, the card sliders have been added. So all we need to do now is go to settings, make them 100% of your, okay. So you're still having it at 100%. This is a bit low, but so you can resize also. So let's go back and resize and see this is at 1,000 to 550. That is our original banner size. So let's resize this to by 1,100 to 550. So we'll resize that image so I can conform with the other one. So you can see now they are carrying the same. All right. So quickly before you do anything, also go back to contents because we want to make this a full length of a full width of our page. So we'll go back to content. We'll go to settings. We'll say fit to screen. We'll say fit to screen. It's still not giving us desired. So we'll go back to content. Click on design. We'll go to space and grab design. You can see the full padding. All you need to do is delete completely the full padding. And you can see now that it's a full, so it's a full, has been made a full content. So update, go back to content, click on your internal edit. So let's add a bit of a description here, what we want it to look like. So let's say the first one we are saying now is welcome to our home page. Welcome to our home page. Then we want a little bit of description that says what are experts are here for you. You could use that based on your preference. So I make this paragraph 1. Then we can make this as a paragraph header 1. Then make this header 2. Then we can bolden the both of them. You can see that it's still giving us the white color. So we'll do the same thing also for the second slider and call it okay, ready to. You might decide to put a caption or you might not decide to put a caption. It's dependent on you. Ready to serve you. Explore our page. So still make this also. Header 1. And make this header 2. Depending on what you want, whatever you want to do. So if you look at this other side also, you can see that is carrying there, ready to serve you. So let's go to our design. Okay. We want to tone this what's it called? The picture, the image. So all we need to do is go to object type, click on card or slider, your child object, click image and say use transparency. So just reduce the transparency. You can see that we have the reduced transparency. If we go to the other page also, the reduce the transparency. All right for that. So we want to edit the text on. So all you need to do is go to slide, card slider caption, that is on your object type. Then pick the header 1. You know, it says header 1 is header 2. So you pick that and change them text size. You desire them. You look at it now, it increases. And let's change the text color and give it so okay, we want it to be orange. I like it as orange. So whatever you do on this page also affects the other page. Then let's click our header 2, which is header 3, and say, okay, we want the text size to just be 1. Then want to change the color to, let's give it, let's say we want to give it a greenish color. So you see green, and you see, you can see that it has changed here. You can still increase the text size and make the text size 2. That's more visible. Okay, so you can see our expert ready to serve it. Then what next do we do? We want to align and make it okay. This our text mess. Our text is a bit below. We want to centralize it and push it above. So all we need to do now is we are still on our text, our card slider option, and our child object is 3. So go to your, that is header 3. Go to your space and gap design and make the bottom margin. Let's increase the bottom margin. Let's first increase by 3 and let's see. Increase by 3. Okay, it's still a bit. Let's increase by 4. What do we get? Okay, let's make it 5. I want it. Let's see, 5. What does 5 give us? Okay, let's say 7. Oh, 7. Okay, so we have a centralized them. All right. So next you need to do is just update. And then updated. Go back to your contents. Go back to your row. So just to make it look so it can look like a page, I just want to add a new row so you see what it looks like. I've added a new row. So this is our card slider banner. So let's go back to update. Let me update first. Then go back to details. Go back to your browser view. So you can see that our banner slider has been what? Added successfully. You can see the effect, the first picture. Our experts are here. So that is how to add your banner slider to your website page. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.